So now the only thing left to do with this portion is we're going to export each body to Cura so that we can set it up. First we'll start with the bottom part of the body. We'll say make. Notice I selected the body I want to do. I want to say make. We're going to send it to Cura. I've got it set up to custom. So we say OK. Then we got to give it a second because my computer's running a little bit slow. We're loading machines, loading the interface. Alright, so it's loaded into Cura, and we got to rotate it. And turn it this way. And just to show you that we don't need any supports, and scroll all the way down here and we're going to show generate support. We're going to turn that on. We want anything touching build plate and we're going to say prepare. So it's slicing it. And then we can look around and we can see that there are no supports. We'll switch to layer view just to show no supports needed because of the way we did the sides. We made that an arch, so we don't need supports at all. Go back to solid view. We're going to turn off support. So make sure 60. Okay, yeah, that's fast enough. You see it's going to take 14 hours approximately to print this one. 14 hours 15 minutes. And then we saved a file. And Halloween. Make this I4. I4 base.g code. Save that. So that one's saved. Now we open back up Fusion. And we only want to select body 2. I want to go ahead and make that. And we say OK. And it's loading. It's about up. Alright, now we rotate this again. And we rotate it to 90 degrees. And there we go. You can see it's on the build surface. It's flat down. We're going to change one little thing about this. We want to go ahead and look at our layer view. Prepare. So now we can see our layers. I'll hold 20 layers on this one. Trying to see that layer right there, so layer number 11. So we're going to add some post-processing. layer 11. We're going to do a filament change. We can close that. Hit prepare. Now the idea again is to have this as a white or clearish filament on the bottom, and then as we go up and we create the rest of this, that'll be black. And you see there's not very much infill in this one. And then we save that one to file. I'm going to say I for top. Save. And that's all we need as far as creating these for 3D printing. Now we should be able to load them into the printer, whether you use an Octoprint or straight off the SD card, and then we should be able to print them from there.